Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for today. So yesterday was looking fairly good. We had a daily close above the triangle, but at the moment, the daily bar that's formed right now does not give me much confidence that we are looking. We have some structure forming for us to start looking for those longs. So you can see, I think it'll be easy on the lower time frame. So let me just get there. We'll look at the hour now, and I'll give you basically what I'm seeing at the moment. So look at the 4 hour. You can see triangle break, yes, but we're back on the triangle. So that could very well turn out to be a fake out, and in other words, move back down to test the lows here, 34,163, and then just basically formalize the range. And then what we'll be looking for is a break of the range. So this level here, which I gave you yesterday, which is 37,961. We've got the break above it. We've come back to it. We're testing it. But now we need to see if it's going to hold. It doesn't look like it wants to hold. And what I'm seeing on the daily at the moment is, look at it on the hour. You'll see what I'm talking about. So this was the previous day. So these lines here are the daily bars. So we opened down here and we closed up there. So we opened on our low and we closed on our high. That's a bullish daily bar. What's happened now is we've opened on our high and we've sort of not closed yet, but there is a probability that we're going to close lower down. So these tails are basically wiping out the entire previous day's move. So that's not very positive, or should I say bullish, at the moment. So the structure break is there, but you can see on the hour it's not holding. The bars are forming below that structure. So that's just an indication. Wait, don't pile into this just yet. There's something else brewing at the moment. Now bear in mind there's a whole lot of data and noise in the normal markets at the moment. So we're expecting data coming out. There's non-farm payrolls in the US and a couple of bits and pieces of data around the globe coming out, and that's economic data, which doesn't impact Bitcoin directly, but it does impact sentiment of traders. So it just depends what the traders see. If they think that there's hyperinflation coming and higher interest rates coming, are they going to put their money into sort of interest-bearing accounts, or start investing in banks and bank stocks and things like that. So it's just traders are sitting and waiting to see how they're going to redistribute their funds for the next leg, and they don't know where the next leg is. They don't know whether it's crypto, they don't know whether it's the dollar, they don't know whether it's indexes or stocks or anything like that. So the whole market is just sort of in a waiting pattern at the moment, and that is pretty much what you can see here on Bitcoin as well. So so I think for me, still no clear signal, and where I said to you, this level's still very applicable, and that's 37,961. If we can stay above it on the 4 hour, then there's definitely merit to start looking for the opportunities. But bear in mind, moving averages are still in a bearish pattern, so there's still no real reason to jump into it just yet. Okay, and bear in mind, I don't day trade the Bitcoin. I really just look for opportunities, and at the moment I'm looking for the opportunity to buy, but I want to see a decent signal for that. Anyway, that's it for me this morning. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you next week. Cheers for now.